What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. Gonna go over Matic as well as Ethereum. I meant to get this video out earlier, but had a bit of an emergency with a friend here. Everything's a-okay, so we're gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently sitting at 80 cents, up 0.20 on the day. Seeing market cap of 7.01 billion. 24-hour volume, 380 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. Bitget and Bybit are where I do my trading. Once you make your first deposit, email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So we bounced perfectly off our Wave 5 target at 0.758. As you can see, this is on Gemini. A little bit of a scam wick here on Gemini. As you can see, we came right down to the target and we bounced. So what we're looking for now is a wave 2 pullback. So it looks like we may be putting in an ABC correction. And the normal retracement for the wave 2 is in between the 0.5 and the 0.786, in between 0.846 and 0.903, with a minimum target of 0.382. And then we look for a rejection and we look to come down in a wave 3. As we're looking for Matic to come down here to about the 40 to 50 cent range. So looking at this chart here, we are very close to breaking that neckline. It looks like we've already started to break it a little bit, and we may be doing a bit of a retest. So keep a very close eye on this head and shoulders, because the technical target will take you all the way down to about 50 cents. Looking at Ethereum, same thing. We didn't quite meet our wave 5 target, so we may be looking at an ending diagonal for the micro count here into a wave 5, but we did break below the wave 3, which is all you need to do to complete a wave 5. So what we'd be looking for is a wave 2 pullback for Ethereum as well. Now, I mentioned this in the Discord, where I'm looking at this being an ending diagonal into a wave 5, which consists of an ABC pattern. So it could be that we've already completed the wave A. Here we go. We've already come down and complete the wave A, which is a 5-wave move. What's going on? So we may have already completed the wave A, which is a 5-wave move. I'll quickly change the color here. And then you're looking for a wave B pullback, which is a 3-wave move, and a 5-wave move down in a wave C. However, though that wave A is quite short, it is possible. But what we may be going through is we're just looking at a larger 5-wave move into an A, and this is just the subwave. And we do a little something like this, where we pull back in a wave 2. Let me grab my brush. Pull back in a wave 2, get rejected, come down to 3, 4, 5, and that would be the completion of the wave A. And then you would see a 3-wave move into a B, and you would come down in a 5-wave move into a wave C, which would complete that wave 5 and bring you down to that $700 to $800 range that we're looking for. So far that's what I'm looking at. Because if this were to be the completion of the wave A and this is a wave B, and we put a 5-wave move into a C, it's possible. And then we may find a bottom in between the $800 to $900 range. But as I mentioned here, we'll kind of zoom out. Your next strong level of support, it's not even that strong a level of support here. But let me grab a yellow box right here. In between the $700 to about $800 range, there is support. So it would make more sense for the price to come down to that yellow box. But of course, anything can happen, so we'll have to see how it plays out. As you can see, we're just pushing up to retest our falling channel here. So that will act as resistance for the price of Ethereum. And just look out for a fake out once again, where you get rejected, we fall back down into the pattern and come back down to this level of support here, which is right at the 1K level, coming in about 1,030 for the price of Ethereum. The bullish scenario would be to break out here, hold as support, start to push up. But I don't think that's the likely scenario for ETH. I'm looking for a wave 2 pullback and then seeing continuation to the downside in that wave 5 of the ending diagonal. All right, gang. And then for the price of Matic, we saw a perfect bounce off our wave 5 target. So we're looking for a potential ABC correction to put in a wave 2 pullback in between 0.84 and 0.90 before seeing continuation to the downside, in my opinion. And just watch this head and shoulders very closely. All right, gang. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to sign up to Bitget. Grab up to 8K in bonuses. Make your first deposit. Email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, and talking all things crypto. It's just quickly loading up here. Yeah, completely free access. If you sign up to Bybit or Bitget, and just email me your sign up email. Smash the like button at 10 USD per month, early access to my analysis as well as signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.